Today, we're going to do a quick refresher course on our CREs, our claim, evidence, and reasoning. Our first one looks back at our very first week, which was how do different liquids change gummy bears? So remember, your claim is your guess to what you think the answer will be to the question. So I made the claim, I think the gummy bears in water will get bigger. And then, of course, we did our experiment and we measured the gummy bears. And I found that the gummy bears in water went from 2 centimeters to 4.5 centimeters. That was actual evidence that I saw in the experiment. And then the last part is reasoning, telling whether or not your claim was true or not based upon the evidence. And on this one, my claim that the gummy bears in water would get bigger is true. It's correct because 4.5 centimeters is bigger than 2 centimeters. On our second CRE, the question was, are unicorns real? And I, of course, didn't think unicorns are real. And so my claim was, no, I don't think unicorns are real. Notice I wrote it in a complete sentence. I then went and watched the video, and in the video, it said that scientists have found bones of an animal that had 1 horn. It didn't exactly look like a unicorn, but it was a 1-horned animal. So as my evidence, I wrote, scientists found bones of an animal that had 1 horn. So then on my reasoning, I had to admit to the fact that my claim was wrong because scientists had found a 1-horned animal. On our third CRE, our question was, could a volcano pop up where you live? So I thought about the question. I've lived in Missouri a long time and I've never seen a volcano here, so I don't think a volcano could pop up in Missouri. I then went and watched the video, and in the video it said that volcanoes appear mainly in a circle called the Ring of Fire. It's where tectonic plates meet, and this is by the ocean. So I went and put all of these facts down in my evidence box. Notice I never said that my evidence was, it was in the video, or I can find it online. Telling where you found it is not the evidence. Telling the actual facts that you find is the evidence. Now, based on the facts, the evidence that I found, I know my claim is correct because volcanoes pop up in the Ring of Fire, which is by the ocean, and I don't live by the ocean. I hope going over these CREs has helped you to understand what each part means.